Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a CAT S42 phone and you need to do a hard reset on it and you do not have the PIN key and so the phone is locked because you don't have the PIN. You can actually reset the phone and erase the PIN. Now it will erase everything else on the phone, all your contacts, all your photos, all your apps, etc. And the phone will be like it was when it came out of the box. But if you're okay with that, we can get started. It's quite easy to do. With your phone being off, you're going to go ahead and press and hold the volume up and the power button simultaneously until the phone vibrates to turn on. Let it turn on and you'll see it'll open with a small menu with a couple of things that you can toggle through and it will give you the option to go into recovery mode. So with the volume, you'll toggle to recovery mode and hit the power button to confirm it. Now, it may come up with a no command screen after that, and if it comes up with a no command screen after that, then you will just tap power volume up simultaneously again one more time, and it will take you to the recovery screen. From the recovery screen, you can toggle with the volume up and down through this menu, and you will toggle to wipe data factory reset. You can hit the power button to select it, and it will take you to this confirmation screen. From this confirmation screen, you will toggle down to the factory data reset. And once you hit the power to select this, you will confirm it. It will wipe all the data and erase everything off your phone, and it will be like a new phone. So if you're okay with that, go ahead and hit the power button. Give it a few minutes to run through its cycle, and then you will be able to reboot it, and you'll be able to turn on the phone like it was when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.